Para akong apos. A step? Okay, go. Stop. Nilaro ko na lang. You don't have to be rich to share something. You don't have to have a lot to share something. Just help in a way that you can. Tumulong ka sa paraan na kaya mo lang. Wag mo, because you cannot help someone kung wala ka din naman. But for me, wala rin naman ako at the moment, pero I'm happy doing this. Ito yung kulto ni Kay Toretto sa Pakistan. Come. Charis lang. Kung di nyo man ito naiintindihan, I hope that I make you happy, everyone. I hope that you remember once in your lifetime na may isang Pilipinong bumisita sa inyo to make you happy today. Okay? Say, okay. Charis. Okay. Charis. Binless. Magiging successful ka. Kaya mo yan. Ikaw din. Oh, see the camera. Rasha, Rasha, Rasha. Yeah! Gusto niyang makita yung sarili niya. Oh, ayan, oh. Sinusundan nila yung camera, eh, oh.